how to search for files and folders on a MacBook. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. You can simply tap on the search button on the menu bar on top of your screen in order to open the Spotlight search, or you can also press the combination of Command and Space keys in your keyboard in order to open the Spotlight search. Further, go ahead and enter the file or folder name that you want to search. Once you have entered the name, a list of files will appear. Simply select the file that you are looking forward to, and this is how you can search for files and folders on a MacBook. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.